Hi, my name is Daniel and I've created a PHP JavaScript application framework that is called Wigbi. And I'm going to show you how to download Wigbi 1.1.0 and get it up and running. This is Aptana Studio 3, a bit of a commercial, no money made. What I'm going to do is create a new PHP project, which I'm shockingly going to call Wigbi test, like that. If you expand it, you see that it's empty, and if you visit it in your browser, you'll see that it's pretty empty there as well. So let's visit wigbi.com, download the latest release, like that. And you can also grab it from the GitHub project site, github.com/donasati/Wigbi. Looks like this. Now, before you can use Wigbi, you need Apache, MySQL, and PHP 5.3 plus. So if you're on a Mac, I recommend that you download MAMP, which is a nice bundle that takes care of everything for you. If you're on a Windows machine, I recommend VAMP Server, which is a good equivalent to MAMP. If you're on a Linux machine, I think that LAMP is good. I haven't tried it though, and I think that Wigbi works with it, but I haven't tried it. So if you do, let me know. Now, if we have a look at the downloaded file. Downloaded it twice. Bye-bye. And we extract it. You see that it contains 4 folders and 2 files. Now, the readme text file is just a copy of the GitHub. Let's not bother about it. Now, this folder, the Wigbi folder, is the only mandatory component of this folder. It contains the entire JavaScript library, the entire PHP library, as well as some internal pages, language files, images, CSS files, etc., etc. So this you need. These you might want. The plugins folder contains a bunch of templates for data plugins, which can be persisted to the database, and user interface plugins, which you can add to your various pages. Now, the remaining 3 components are Wigbi MVC template files. In short, this remove file name htaccess file takes care of all the incoming calls to this folder and redirects them to this controller handler, which identifies the controller that should receive the call. In this case, we only have a home controller. This controller redirects to the index view, which uses a master page. So it's really straightforward. If you haven't used Wigbi before and you don't know really how it works, then I really recommend that you use these 3 components as well. I'm going to copy all 4 of them for this demonstration. I'm going to add them here. And then when I've added them here, I'm going to rename this file to just htaccess, and it's going to go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now, when I go to this folder, the htaccess file is going to take me to the controller PHP file, which will include Wigbi, start it, and redirect to the proper controller. So let's try it out. It works, but it's not properly configured yet. It tells you that the application name key has got to be set. So let's do that, which is this one. Now, if you have good memory, you might have remembered that this file did not exist like 1 minute ago. When we started Wigbi, it looks for this one. If it doesn't exist, it creates it from this one. But this is the one we're going to change. So this parameter, the application name parameter, has got to be set. So my app, whatever. It should be unique though. If we reload the page again, we get a different error message that says that the application web root key has got to be set as well. And if the application would run like this, then the my app part of that URL would be the web root. So in our case, it's the Wigbi test, which I'll add to the web root parameter here. Save file and reload. So there, Wigbi is up and running, and in this left section, I'm gonna create some demos of all the system classes. And in the right column, Wigbi just displays all the plugins that you have added to your application. So my advice to you, download Wigbi and tell all your friends about it. Yeah, when you have done so, have a look at what happens. If you don't want to use MVC, then this include must be at the very beginning of the PHP file, because it starts some session handling, and yeah, it's got to be at the very beginning of the file. And as you can see here, we write the start output into a content area of the master page, which is called Wigbi start. And if we have a look inside the master page, you'll see that we print the content of Wigbi start inside the head tag. This is also mandatory. Include the file before the doc type, before anything else, and start Wigbi in the head tag. Also, stop Wigbi if you want. So thanks for watching. I won't go into details on anything else. If you need help, if you want to tell me that Wigbi rocks, if you want to tell me that Wigbi sucks, if you want to ask questions, drop me a mail, daniel.saidi@gmail.com. daniel.saidi@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and take care. See you later. Bye.